We made it. We're boarding. There's mommy. Say hi, mom. We passed all the COVID tests, the check-in. We're going down the gangway. Hillary Chin in the grand inside mini non-suite. So the accommodations are just what we need. We have some nice little decor. I ordered some water, so that's already here, which is nice. And there's like a nice big screen TV. We got storage over here, boom, storage over there, and a nice little mini fridge, God bless. Some more storage, closets, you know what closets look like. Boom. Then you have the bathroom, which is a decent size. I was just on a royal inside, and I would say this is actually just like a smidgen, just because it's circular, like completely circular. You're like in a tube over there. So I would say this space is, the bathroom's a little bit bigger. So we made it, Mom. Yay. Pretty sure I just found my favorite thing in the room. The USB port in the middle of the beds. So like nobody has to be like, oh, I get a USB. No, you get a USB. You get a USB. It's like Oprah, but for USBs. We are finally settled in our room, and now we're going to our muster station. Check out my mom's nails. She did some like last minute press-ons. First time. We're still at the promenade, but my goodness, like look at this, the world on the ceiling. That's that first bar when you come in. This is pretty.
Can you imagine? Let me get a picture.
yeah, this place is cool. Ooh, look at all these shops. This is where I'm gonna buy my dad cigarettes probably. Liquid lounge. I am assuming this is like where they have all the shows. Yeah. Main bar. A Java Blue. Yummy. Oh, it smells so good in here. It smells so good. Thank you. There's my first glass. Mom, ready to go?
That's right. Like Soldier
Partied out.
You know how much walking we've done?
I know, we've walked a lot. Fitbit says we've walked a lot. So we're just resting. I can't send you the picture right now, Mom. He's making a video. So we've been walking, we danced, and now we're just relaxing, trying to catch our breath. Too old for this. Ooh, Adriana. Yeah. So, see the shirt? It's like, today is a good day to have a good day. Come on.
$66.
Yeah, this one's good.
Oh, 67.
Yeah, no, this one is good. The 72.